Hello and welcome to yet another unboxing video here on the A.G.N.T media channel. Today we're going to be unboxing a camera. It's the Sony A6300. So let's open it up and take a look inside. So here it is, the Sony A6300. Looking at the box, you can already judge that the camera is not quite as big as some of the other cameras that Sony made. Tilting the box to the side here, you can see some of the recommended accessories. Tilting the camera box to the other side, you can see here that it has an APS-C sensor with 24.2 megapixels. It's capable of going from 100 to 25,600 on ISO. It has 425 autofocus points with face detection. It can shoot up to 11 frames a second. And it has a XGA OLED true finder viewfinder. It has 4K recording capability, Full HD capability. It records XAVC-S codec or the AVC HD progressive. It can record stereo. It has Wi-Fi, NFC capabilities. It can use memory stick, SD. It has an HDMI output. And that's just some of the basic stuff that's printed on the side here. Right, so let's get to it and open up the box. Right. Okay, opening up the box, it reveals a booklet or pamphlet, call it whatever you want. To get some extra support, you can register this from the Sony EU site. I'm not sure if this is something that comes in every box, but I got it with this one, of course. And we have the standard guaranteed information. Another boring document telling you something about the functions. Wi-Fi connection one-touch NFC guide. And another one. It has Capture One Express for Sony pamphlets. I don't really know what that is. I guess it's some kind of software that you can get. Capture One Express. It does look like some sort of editing software for pictures maybe. And of course, lenses, accessories, a small pamphlet giving you all kinds of stuff. Some of the other models are also listed. Some of the tripods and lenses. This could be very useful for you if you don't really know what kind of lens to get. So definitely a good choice to have in the box. Another small leaflet for telling you to register your product and receive some of the benefits. Software update and notifications, customer support, updates and product tutorials, invitations to leave your product review on our website. So I might do that. And of course, this is the fat boy. The instruction manuals in a lot of different languages. So that's it for the information. Underneath here we should see the camera, and actually quite as I expected, the camera is here in a small paper-like bag and it's not very big. So here it is. And of course the mount on the bottom for the 1/4 inch. Down here you have the battery tray as well. Right there you can put the SD card or the memory stick, I think. It's the same place they put both types of cards. So that's it, spring-loaded mechanism. You have the LCD screen that can tilt like so, or this way. This is actually some of the things I would have loved to see in this one. If they had the flip-up screen like the like the A5100, it could flip up so you can see yourself. But That could be solved by getting a small monitor and put it on top of here in the hot shoe. And you can just take this protective plastic out. You have the hot shoe mount right there. Right next to it is the embedded flash. The functions wheel here. Have another wheel here. A dial for something, probably for adjusting ISOs or stuff like that. On-off button. A C1 button, I don't really know what that does. Of course you have the viewfinder. Flash button, menu button. Another button for autofocus and manual focus, I think. Something for zooming in digitally on when you view on the playback menu. Another function button, dial here with buttons integrated. The display, ISO, all the standard stuff that you can get. C2 and playback. So on the side here, if we open this up, you have a recording jack input, supposedly to be stereo, I think. And you have a HDMI micro, of course the output, micro USB. And that's where you can charge the camera as well. So yeah, this is a E-mount and you can use various lenses. With that mount you can also get adapters. You can take a look at the included leaflet for looking at what type of lens to get. This box here is the camera only. It does not contain any lens. So be sure to get a lens, otherwise you can't use the camera. I haven't bought one yet, but I've borrowed one so we can get some test footage out of this. I will do test footage in 4K so that you can see what it looks like. But of course this video is recorded in 1080p, so the test footage will be uploaded to a separate video and the link will be in the description. Right, so let's take a look at what else in the box. You get a info-lithium battery from Sony, of course the original one, which is 1020 milliamp hours. Not the greatest, but well, I don't really know how long you can run the camera on this. You get the standard cable for Danish plug sockets. And you get a charger unit, which takes the plug and it has the USB in the other end. You get an eyepiece for the viewfinder. Another cable for the charger. This one is for the UK plug socket. And a micro USB cable, supposedly to plug into the other end of this guy here, so that you can charge the camera through the USB port. And last but not least, you get strap for the camera. One thing I noticed is that these here, they do make quite a lot of noise. So depending on how you're going to use the camera, of course, if you're going to use it for still photography, you can leave them on, and I would recommend that so you don't drop it. But if you use it for video production, mostly on a tripod, you might want to take those off. So yeah, that's basically it. That's what's in this camera. So let's try to put in the battery. And let's turn it on. It's already on. So what you get here is the standard initial setup where you can choose the language. This is English. You get to choose the date and time. This is the time zone that I'm in. Daylight savings. Let's set that to on. Dates and time. So today it's the 14th of January 2019. At the time 17:22 or 5 p.m. There. The format is date, month, year, that's right. Enter. So you can download the Play Memories app for your cell phone, or you can use it on your computer as well. So that was it for the unboxing of this A6300 from Sony. So this is my new main camera and I'm really looking forward to use it and play with it. And I will of course record some test footage in 4K and upload it in a separate video, just as previously mentioned. If you like this video, please leave a like, and if you want to see more of it, you can just leave a comment and tell me that. Of course, if you disliked it, you can leave a dislike as well. This is A.G.N.T Media. I'm Martin. Thank you for watching.